great lesson, children. Thank you. Here we go. Ready? Are you ready? Here we go. Turn right. We turn right on this red road into the natural park to Angkor National Park. See all the jungle. Here we going to release the snake back into the jungle. Please say no to snake. Please say no to killing any life, any human being. Here we go. It's very quiet park here. Almost there. Here we go. Alright, ready? Here, everybody look.
In the jungle.
Jungle. You bring a python here. Oh, it's my daughter. Here, Kaka, Nana.
Oh,
Okay.
so scary.
Yeah, so scary, alright? Jungle. Come on, follow us. I'm going to teach my daughter, my children, how to be good, how to be kind, how to be generous. Kind and generous to animal being and human being. So this is a big lesson for little girls. To be nice, to be kind, not to be greedy, not to be aggressive, but to live with nature, to live with animal. Alright, this is the way how we love nature.
Hello.
Yeah, nature. So we love and respect nature. So nature bring us food, bring us water, bring us energy, bring us life. So without nature, we won't have this life until now. Everybody, please be nice and kind to the nature. So if you love your family, so make sure that you love nature. You love monkey, you love tiger, you love elephant, you love snake, you love everything. This is the message from us. Thank you. Follow how we releasing this giant python in the jungle. Okay. Yeah, this is python, okay? You ready? Wait, okay. You ready? I'm going to play out. Play out này. Follow me. See, I'm going to release back into the jungle, okay? Out. Mơ này.
Khơi nhời. Nên mình cũng khơi. Khơi nhời.
Khơi nha. Khơi quá ha.
À, khơi trong à.
Oh my God, where's the head? Guy, you know where's the head? Eh? Have you happy? You want happy? Không know where's the head? Mơ mới chuyện.
Khơi nè.
Con đấy à?
Khơi nè. Khơi sao?
Ba con này.
Ốc nè.
Ôi. Ôi. Yeah, popular. Yeah. Oh, hey. Oh my God, help me. Hey. Bạn kia. Bạn ấy kia.
Là phải pram.
Phải pram tới bạn tích muối này. Oh my God. Này à? Look, Irene, this python. He doesn't know that I'm going to save his life, but he wants to swallow me. Look, very big. Where you wanna go? Which way you wanna go? You wanna go this way? What are you going to do? You wanna help me? Anyone give me the idea what going to do with snake? How to? How shall you do with this one? Oh. Như này ok, vuốt. Thấy hả? Bơi, thấy hả? Thôi nhỉ? Đấy, đấy. You. Yeah. Đấy, mà đấy, tập mà đấy.
Mà thấy buồn.
Bệnh buồn cũng là bạn bệnh tí à. Ôi. Đi không? Look, my God. What are you going to do with this? Oh my God. Oh, help me. Oh, look at. Look. Wrap around my son. Oh, my back. Come on, hey man.
Thấy bậy.
Bay 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 bay.
Để mình đi tốt chắc mình.
Ready? You go.
Ừ.
Hey man, hey what?
Thấy bì.
Go. Are you ready?
Anh kia ta ạ. Anh kia ta ạ.
Ready, yes, but. Okay, go ready. There, there, you.
Dạ ơi, anh kia.
Man, hey man.
Thấy bì.
Bảo.
Căng hỏi. Căng. Anh kia. Kia có bao phát bì. Thôi.
Nè, thế này.
Cái nọ. Cái nọ.
Go. You go. Let's go. Now, go. Go to see your family. Go. You. Go. Go to see your family. Go. Don't come back to the human home. Go. Come on. Let's go. Go. Now, let's go. Please. Go away from us. Go. You want to say thank you? Right? Come on. Okay. We already released giant python into the park safely and happily before he crawling back into the jungle. He slowed down, he turned around, he looked at me. Perhaps he won't say thank you very much for your saving the life, maybe. I don't know. He just go and then he stop and then he turn around and say goodbye. Thank you again, Mr. Boone. Thank you everybody for saving life of the animal. Thank you the animal lover, animal supporter. If you are animal lover, if you are the nature lover, if you are stay with the nature, thank you. Please support us. Please watching this video to the end. This is a bag, empty bag. You see nothing. Yeah, I'm not going to lie you. I'm not going to cheating you. I already released the python back into the bush. Now we're walking back to our motorbike with my daughter.